What is dropshipping? How do you make money dropshipping? This is exactly what I'll talk about in this video. Hey, it's Rolland Peter here from Power to Scale, where we help you with actionable strategies to build, grow, and scale your business. If you are new here, make sure to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any single video from me. Stay tuned. I normally would like to start with a declaration, and you can repeat it after me if you don't mind. I always have more than enough money in my bank account at the end of every month. I always have more than enough money in my bank account at the end of every month. Again, I always have more than enough money in my bank account at the end of every month. The question is, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a supply chain management method in which the dropshipper does not keep goods in stock but instead transfer the order from his customers and shipping details to another supplier or wholesaler who then ships the goods directly to the customer. As in any retail business, the majority of retailers make their profit on the difference between the wholesale and the retail price. And you need to bear in mind that dropshipping is not a new phenomenon. Major retailers to date still use this business model to sell physical products. If you are a visual learner like me, here's what it looks like visually. Here is a visual representation of what dropshipping looks like. We have the supplier's store here, and the product cost is $10. This is the supplier's store on AliExpress. Then here is your online store as the dropshipper. So you have this awesome looking product on your shop that you are selling for $25. Then here is the customer. The customer makes a purchase on your store. Then you will place the order on the supplier's store on AliExpress with the details of the customer. The supplier will pick, pack, and ship this product directly to the customer. When you deduct the cost of goods and fulfillment from the retail price, you have a net profit of $15 before the cost of ad spend. This is a visual representation of what dropshipping looks like. What does dropshipping mean in a layman's terms? In a layman's terms, dropshipping is a fulfillment business model that lets you purchase products individually from a wholesaler who then ship the product directly to your customers. You don't have to purchase a large amount of inventory upfront to start a dropshipping business. It's a low-cost way to start an e-commerce business. Most brands started off with dropshipping. After they have mastered the business model, then they pivot to build a private label brand. It's a stepping stone into getting into the e-commerce business. So a dropshipping retailer will list products on his online store. When he or she gets an order, then the dropshipper places that order with a supplier who will then ship the product directly to the customer. The starting point to find products to dropship is a site called AliExpress. Take for example, you found this really cool product that you want to sell. You list it on your shop and drive traffic to sell it. It's as simple as that. And here's an example on how dropshipping works in real life. Here's a product that I randomly pulled up from AliExpress. We're on AliExpress.com. So this is where you want to be drop shipping your products from. This is where you want to come find awesome cool products to drop ship. This is a multi-function tension rope for fitness. Basically, it's a resistant band. It's being sold for $1.61 and the shipping to the US is $9.26. Altogether, it's going to cost $10.87 to get to the customer. So I found the site that's selling this same product for £20, which is like $24, more than 50% markup. So you're looking at between 60 to 80% margin on this product. What they've done is that they've created this awesome looking store. This is the product page, and they have all of these testimonials which they collected from AliExpress, the reviews. So you can see these are reviews with pictures from AliExpress. This is a classic example of a dropshipping setup. When the customer orders this product from this shop, they will then go ahead to place the order with this supplier on AliExpress, who will pick, pack, and ship this product to the customer without them having to ever see or touch the product. So he is responsible for the fulfillment when the order is placed with them. So you can see how dropshipping works in a nutshell. So their main responsibility or job is to find cool products like this, list them, and drive traffic to those products. What's your role as a dropshipper? You will be responsible for creating an online store, which is very easy to do with Shopify. Shopify is a native e-commerce platform. You can jump on it and create a store within hours. There is a link for you to get 14 days free trial in the description below. The next thing you will do is to find a winning product to sell. I made a video on how to find a winning product, which will walk you through the process, because you don't want to throw a bunch of random products in your store and hope and pray they will sell. My mantra is that you've got to sell what's already selling. You've got to sell a product that is proven. The way you're going to make money is to mark up the product between 60 to 70% profit margin. This will make room for the cost of driving traffic to make sales. After you have listed the product on your store, it's time to drive traffic to put that product before the right person, so that you can start making those much needed sales. This could be through running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. Once you get a sale, place the order with the supplier and use the shipping address of the customer. When the product ships, it should automatically be updated on any of the fulfillment apps that sends the delivery notification to the customer with the tracking details. This entire fulfillment process is automated when you are dropshipping with AliExpress using the Obello app. I hope this explains what dropshipping is and how you can make money dropshipping in this current market condition. There's never been a better time than now to start a dropshipping business. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will personally answer them for you. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to get a notification each time I upload a new video. I have a free PDF that will help you to find winning products tied to the ultimate winning products blueprint. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. I'll see you in the next video. Keep watching.